guys, I'm Vidya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful designer peacock Rakhi. It is really easy and simple to make, so you can definitely try this at home. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more such awesome videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump on to the tutorial. So to make this Rakhi, I have used a green foam sheet. And I'm going to stick a big rhinestone for the face of the peacock. I have used foam glue for this. And now for the neck of the peacock, I'm going to stick a thin diamond lace from the face of the peacock, and I'm going to stick this lace slightly curved from the other end. And on that curved end, I'm going to stick two small pieces of this diamond chain to form the belly of this peacock. Now I'm going to cut this shape, and I'm going to leave a thin border of this foam sheet. And now I have taken the green ball chain and I have stuck it surrounding the cut foam sheet closely to the rhinestone and the chains. Cover any visible foam with that ball chain. Now to make the peacock's feather side, I have stuck a big drop-shaped rhinestone on that foam sheet. I have taken a light blue rhinestone. And now I am going to surround this rhinestone with a green ball chain. Again, I have used foam glue. Next, I am going to cut the drop shape of that foam sheet, leaving a thick border. Now, surrounding that ball chain, I am going to stick a thin diamond chain. And finally, the drop-shaped foam was completely surrounded by another green ball chain. Now, for the beak of the peacock, I am going to stick a small piece of that green ball chain. And also, for the crest of the peacock, I am going to stick two small pieces of green ball chain in a V shape. I have then drawn the shape of this peacock on a thick cardstock. And now I'm going to cut this shape of the peacock, leaving some extra space opposite to the belly of the peacock for upper body feather. I have cut two such cardstocks in that peacock shape. And now using foam glue, I am going to stick that decorated peacock on the cardstock. Then I have taken a smaller drop-shaped rhinestone and I stuck it at that extra space near the belly on that cardstock. I am going to take that other cardstock which was cut in that peacock shape, and I am going to take 2 looping threads. I am going to stick them parallel to each other at the center of this peacock. And using some more foam glue, I am going to stick that decorated peacock on top of this. I am going to now tie the threads at both the sides of the peacock. And our beautiful designer peacock Rakhi is ready. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to share this video and give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.